29 Super C follows up, if one is waiting on an immigrant visa, can they visit the US if they have a B1, B2 visitor visa? My thinking might be no, correct? Well, technically you can. Immigration lawyers will always tell you not to do this. That's a standard answer to give. But I've had so many clients, because what can happen is once you try to enter the United States at the airport, they may say, oh, you have a green card case pending, you're really coming here to stay, and they might kick you out of the US and deport you or something like that, or give you voluntary withdrawal. So it gets kind of scary. So the answer immigration lawyers always supposed to give is don't do it, but I've had dozens of clients over the years who didn't listen to me, and they came and they did not have any issues. So I've kind of made it more nuanced, as I prefer you don't, but because even in your case, you might have an employment-based kind of case, and you come in on a tourist visa, they might accuse you of coming on a tourist visa with the actual intent to work, where you're not supposed to do that yet until the immigrant visa is issued. So I don't like it. I prefer not to, because we never know what kind of officers you're going to deal with at the airport when you're entering, and whether they're going to be difficult or not. And I don't want bad things to happen. But for the most part, I've seen people to be able to do it successfully. It's just, if you talk to the immigration lawyers, the first thing they say is no, which is not a bad answer, but I'd like to just give that the full perspective of it. That it's better not to, usually it's okay, but there's risks involved, so it's a risk you're taking on when doing that. Thank you for your question, 29 Super C. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the US immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.